They died but don't know it. The truth about earthbound spirits. The room that wouldn't let go.
What if the feeling of being watched isn't just a trick of the mind?
Have you ever walked into a room and felt someone watching you, though you were completely alone? Not a ghost story, not a movie scene, just a presence that lingers, confused, desperate, invisible. Some call it energy. Others call it a memory. But what if I told you? It's consciousness itself, stuck between worlds, unaware it has already died. The truth about earthbound spirits isn't horror, it's heartbreak. Imagine waking up in your home one day, but the light feels dimmer. Your voice echoes, but no one answers. You try to touch the doorknob, it doesn't move. You try to scream, but the air swallows your sound. Days pass, but time no longer listens to you. This is the reality of many souls who never realized they crossed over. They remain in the echo of the material world, attached to places, people, or pain, not because they're evil, but because they're lost. Their emotions, grief, guilt, unfinished love, keep them tethered. And sometimes, if you've ever felt an unexplained chill, a flicker of light, or that sudden wave of sadness, it might not be nothing. It might be someone trying to remember they're gone. The whisper between worlds. Last year, a man in Virginia wrote to our channel, claiming his late wife still made coffee every morning, the sound of the spoon against the mug, the smell of roast in the air. No one believed him, until he placed a motion camera and caught nothing visible, but the sound was real. Science can't explain sound without a source, but consciousness might. What if reality is not made of matter, but memory? What if the world we touch is a recording, looping for those who can't let go? If this story touches something inside you, pause for a second. Take a deep breath, then tell us below, have you ever felt a presence you couldn't explain? Your story might be the missing key that helps someone else understand their own experience. And if you believe consciousness never truly ends, subscribe to this channel, not for superstition, but to understand what the spirit world is really made of. Awareness, compassion, and endless curiosity. Because here, we don't chase ghosts, we listen to them. When they realize they're still here. There's a moment, a sacred instant, when an earthbound spirit realizes it's been holding on to an illusion. It might happen when they see their own funeral, or when they hear someone pray for them and suddenly feel warmth again. For a brief heartbeat, they remember what light feels like. But here's the twist. Not every earthbound spirit is dead. Some of them are alive. Souls trapped in guilt, regret, obsession, spirits of the living wandering through their own unfinished lives. They too are earthbound, unable to move forward, bound by invisible cords of fear. So maybe the message isn't about death at all. Maybe it's about you, about me, about every consciousness that has ever refused to let go of pain. Because in truth, the afterlife isn't another place. It's another state of being. If you've watched until now, thank you. You are part of a growing circle of seekers who believe in light over fear, truth over superstition. Subscribe, stay close to this community, and share your own experiences in the comments. Tell us what this story awakened in you, what you've learned, or what you still wonder. Because here in Spirits in the Material World, we explore the unseen not to escape reality, but to understand it. And remember, consciousness never ends. Spiritual educational disclaimer. This video is intended for spiritual and educational purposes only. It does not promote fear, superstition, or religious dogma. Its purpose is to inspire reflection, healing, and understanding of consciousness beyond physical perception.